Hello everyone, I am Manisha back again with a tip. Today's tip is actually coming from one of the contestants' question. She asked me that how to ace the Q&A round, that is question and answer round, that is the finale last round. So my suggestion is you should not just worry about the Q&A round, because that is something, it's a few moments given to you to showcase your overall personality in those moments. What I mean is, the question can be anything, you just have to speak. So here I want to bring your attention to a few our own country pageant winners, like Sushmita Sen. What she had answered, what was her finale question. You can listen to Aishwarya Rai's, you can listen to Dia Mirza's, and even to Lara Datta's. Okay, so what I want to say, and Priyanka Chopra. So what I want to say is that I'm not sure how many of you will get impressed with their answers, or how many of you will wonder, is this the winning answer? It is not just the words or the answer, it is also the confidence in presenting what they are thinking. No fumble. How your body is still calm and poised, though there is certain amount of stress and a lot of pressure going in your mind. So it is your performance under pressure, how you perform. And it's not just that. After winning the crown, what you want to do? So basically your answer, whatever you say there, comes from your personality. So work on personality. Don't worry about the Q&A round, or don't worry about how you will say and what will you say. Work on your own personality and communication skill, as I have, I think, mentioned before also. If you are confident, if you know, if you are clear that what you want in your life, I mean, if you are confident and clear about your goals, then Q&A round is going to be very simple for you. See, for example, Priyanka Chopra, she was asked that who is the living woman she is inspired with, or she thinks why she is so famous. She said Mother Teresa, but that was the wrong answer. Mother Teresa had left us in 1997, I guess, and she was crowned in year 2000. The answer was wrong. Do you think jury was not aware? But the confidence and the way she presented her answer, the way she, camouflaged that the only woman comes to her mind is her. She did not mention, because she was not sure whether she is living or not, she did not mention that, okay, so the living woman who is famous, I would say, or coming to my mind, is Mother Teresa. No. She mentioned that a woman that is coming to her mind is her. So you should know what you are saying. If you are not sure of anything, don't say that you are sure. Present it in certain way that you don't have to say that you are not sure, but you have to say, your words must say that whatever you are saying, you are confident in presenting it, you are confident in speaking your mind. Okay? So the only tip for today is that you can ace the Q&A round if you think that you have aced on your personality in real life, because it is your reflection of your personality, what you are as a person. Also, if someone wants the tip about Q&A round, that what kind of questions will be asked, I would say, if you go and see all the pageants, there is no fixed pattern about what kind of questions are asked. It can be anything that comes to you. It can be very common from very past pageants, or it can be very much current, or it can be any situational question. Like one question was asked by Shah Rukh Khan to Priyanka Chopra, that hypothetical question, that who will you marry, a cricketer, a film star, or a businessman? So this was a hypothetical question. There was a question asked by to I think Lara Datta. It was asked that, yes, Lara Datta. It was asked that because when she was about to get, I mean, when her crowning, when her pageant was happening, there was some protest going on. And what was her answer? She answered, so she was asked about the current situation, that how she will go and explain to those people that they are wrong. Pageants are not to demean women. How will you explain it to them? So what she answered was that I would go and explain it to them that we are participating willingly and it is not demeaning to us. In fact, it is providing us the platform to keep our opinion, to speak our opinion, and to speak our opinion and choices loud. It's not just about the beauty pageant. It is a platform that is giving us an opportunity to say that I want to be the politician, I want to be, I want to join the military, I want to be a model or film heroine, I want to be whosoever. This platform is allowing us to be ourselves and speak up whatever we want to do in our life. Also, it's giving us confidence of being ourselves, and that it was spontaneous answer, and of course it impressed them. So you have to be spontaneous, and what you believe in, you have to speak just that. Like Sushmita Sen, when she was asked, she said that she will do something for women and she loves children, so she will do something for the children. Don't you think she have done? She have done that. So this is my another tip which I'm clubbing in this tip only. However, the video is getting long, but I want to tell you is you should be the women of your word. Okay, so you don't have to say anything just for the pageant. You have to believe in what you speak on stage, and you should follow. If you win the crown, then you must follow and stick to whatever you have said during the pageant, because before winning might be very few people or nobody knows you, or might be few people knows you, but after winning the crown there will be many followers who actually look up to you. So as we say, the responsibility is there, so then your actions should be in respect of the crown. That is why I say that you have to groom overall personality of yours and present your opinions whatever way you want to on stage. That is the only platform which gives you a space to express yourself. Suppose you have thought of answering in certain way, or if you have thought of highlighting something during Q&A round, then you have to be that spontaneous that you connect the answer of whatever question is asked to you with whatever you want to say. So you have to have that skill of connecting, merging and delivering while you get the chance to speak. That is all I want to tell you. All the best, and I really appreciate people who are asking questions. You have my contact number also from the group of WhatsApp. You can take my contact number. It is their WhatsApp number. You can drop a message. You know my Instagram page. You can drop a message there also, so that I can address your queries. Like if someone asks me question, I will reply it to everyone. So it's of help to all of you. All the best.